unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Breathing tricks can reset your diaphragm and sometimes stop hiccups instantly. Try holding your breath for 10 to 20 seconds to increase carbon dioxide and interrupt hiccups. Another way is taking slow, deep breaths to calm your nervous system. These methods work for many, but if hiccups continue, consult a healthcare professional.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.